This is how you fix the cracked screen on an iPad 9th generation. Look at this. Look how damaged this screen looks. Let's get right into it. iPad 9th generation screen replacement. All right, so here we have the iPad 9th generation. So this video, I'm gonna do less talking and more just showing you guys this. This is gonna be the screen. The good thing with these regular iPads, the same screen works for the iPad 7, iPad 8, iPad 9. Let me show you the part right here. This is a straight up repair. Let me take this out of the plastic. All right, so this comes with some things right here. I'm not gonna use these. I'll show you the screen. There's some wire cable connections right here. So the whole game plan is gonna be this. I'm gonna take off this screen. This screen is gonna fold open like this. It's just gonna be the glass, right? The glass is gonna come out like this. The only thing you have to be careful for on here is the home button. There's a wire that connects it. The wire runs right here, and then it connects into the motherboard down there. So that's it. That's all you have to watch out for. So just be careful of this area. I'm gonna show you guys how I take the glass out from that area anyways. All right, let's begin. All right, so the way that I'm gonna remove the screen from this is I'm gonna use this flimsy tool. I'm gonna probably use this. I'm gonna use tweezers. I'll use this. I'll use whatever I can to get the screen off. So let's just power this off real quick and let's get to work. So we're gonna start off with this tool right here. We're gonna blow heat and work our way around the iPad with this tool, and then put this in, pluck out the glass. Then this thing will come out like this. See, I'm kind of twisting this like this. So I can get a better close-up. See how it's separating? Grabbing this tool, and I'm just twisting my way through. Like that. So you can see, starting to come through. Then there'll be these connections right here, kind of right here. We'll do the same thing through this area. I'll blow some heat, and then I'll just use the technique. All right, so we got to this point. About 3/4 of the screen is already taken off, but we got to the point to where the home button is. So all you have to do is you just got to be careful. You don't lift up right here because you'll cut the cable, right? You'll cut the home button cable. So just be careful around this area. All right, so I want to show you guys closely. You see how I took the glass out from here? The cable runs like in this area where the little pointy part of this stick is at. It runs right there, so I'm staying away from this area. I'm just removing the glass that's closest to the edge. Normally iPads aren't this cracked anyways, but I'm almost there. There you go. Check this out. See how this folds open? You see the cable right here? The home button cable. Where's my tool at? I think it fell on the floor. I'll use this one right here. So there it is. See that cable right here? It's plugged in underneath the LCD, but we're gonna take the LCD out too. See right here? It runs right there and it plugs in right there. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna blow some heat on this side and I'm gonna peel the home button off of the broken glass. And I'm gonna take these little brackets off right here with the home button. I'm gonna use this tool, but I'm gonna blow heat first. All right, there goes the home button right here. Now we have this right here, right? So I'm gonna cut the screen off. There's the connection cables are right here. Go ahead and cut those off. This thing is broken anyways, right? So all right, there we go. There's the broken screen right here. Let's toss this away. I want to show you guys something really quick. You're gonna see this kind of like gasket that's on here. I recommend just using, I need to clean off this broken glass right here around it, but keep the original gasket on this from the home button. Just leave the gasket on there. This comes with one right here, but from my experience, it's harder to re-glue this on, and having a wobbly home button, just use the original gasket that comes on there. All right. Let me clean this area up. Also, try not to touch the screen. You'll get oil from your fingers and you'll see your fingerprint there, and it's hard to clean off. So try your best to avoid touching the screen. All right, so I'm gonna clean the rest of this broken glass that you see around here, so that way I can lift the screen out. All right, so enough of this. There's still glass that's down here, but it's out of the way, so this thing can come out like that. So the way this is gonna come out, there's 4 screws, 1 in each corner. These are kind of hidden up here. You have to take this little black tape out. They're just in 4 corners right here. Just use a regular screwdriver. All right, so I have my 4 screws right here. There's 1, There's another one. There's one right here. And where's the other one at? Where did that screw go? Is it stuck on here somewhere? Here it is. Magnet. All right, let me clean this area again. All right, so the way that you lift this LCD screen out is there's some silicone that's in between there. If you're actually doing this, you'll be able to see it. It's right in there. So you gotta puncture the silicone that's around this thing, and then this thing will come out. All right, we'll try to lift this thing out. Let's see. So this should come out. There you go. This will fold over, or actually, this will go like this. And then you'll see the connections right here. See these 3 screws right there? Take out those 3 screws. This shield will come out. Put it with the 3 screws so you don't lose the 3 screws. You don't knock them off the table, right? Now you're gonna disconnect these cables. Disconnect the LCD screen first, which it is this one right here. There you go. There's the connection. We'll put this aside over here. Now remember how I cut the screen off with the scissors? These connections are right here. This is trash. All right, so now that we have everything out of the way, you can go ahead and leave this connected in here. Let's remove the rest of this glass that you see around here. And then also remove the glass that is sitting around the home button right here. All right, so I pretty much got the glass cleaned out of this area of the whole edge, and then also the home button. So I'm gonna double check. I'm gonna get this toothbrush. Where is it out here? Run my toothbrush around it, and then alcohol and clean any of the dirt that's in this area. All right, so it's pretty clean there. I'm gonna show you the screen. So you see how this has a gasket on there? There's already a gasket on the home button. That same gasket is already on here. It's already on there. If it's still on here, just use the original one. Take this one off. If somehow this gasket gets destroyed or whatever, then use the one that comes with the screen. But otherwise, use the original one. This over here. And then this screen already comes with this thing up here. There's the connections right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this in, plug in the LCD, and then turn the phone on. And you see that there's tape already on here, but there's gonna be glue involved in this also. So wait for the end. So we're gonna put glue here, and then put this there. We're gonna let it dry. All right, so we're just gonna let this dry. I'm gonna let it dry for like 20 minutes, so I'm gonna put pause on the camera. But I'm about an hour in. That's what this marker, my phone says that this camera's been running. It's been running for 1 hour and 1 minute and 30 seconds. So the only thing that's left pretty much is to install the screen, but I'm gonna put some glue all around the outside. All right, so 20 minutes has passed. So what I'm gonna do is just remove this sticker stuff right here. Give this one last quick little clean. I think I need some right here. There we go, that thing wiped off. All right, so we're gonna glue this screen on. There's a film that's on this side, so let's go ahead and take this off. All right, so we're gonna put glue now. So we're gonna put it on this side first, and then we'll go around. All right, so last thing is we have a film on the inside now. There we go. All right, so this thing should just drop right in. And that, everybody, is the iPad 9th generation screen replacement. If any of you guys are interested in learning how to fix iPads or fix cell phones or have your own small business repairing cell phones or even reselling phones, I do have a cell phone repair course. Link is in description underneath the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.